What is pi? A lot of people think it's just 3.14, but it goes much further than that. It is actually the ratio of the circle's circumference over its diameter. So you're going to need to know what the circumference is. The circumference is the distance all the way around the circle. It can be difficult to measure, but I'm going to show you how. So here are the things you'll need to measure your circle's circumference. You'll need some string, some tape, a tape measure, and some scissors. Go ahead and pull off enough string to make it all the way around, and apply one piece of tape to one end. Apply it to your object and wrap it securely all the way around. Try to stay at the exact same level so that it is accurate as possible. Once you've reached the beginning, make a mark and cut it off. Next, go ahead and apply a piece of tape to the other end, stretch it out, and measure. We got a measurement of 9/11/16. You're going to want to change that fraction to a decimal. To do that, simply divide the top number by the bottom number. 11/16 is 0.6875. So 9 11/16 is 9.6875. So the next thing is diameter. So what is it? Diameter is the distance from one side of the circle to the other, but it must go through the center. So here's what you're going to need for measuring the diameter. You'll need the same materials that you did before. Go ahead and mark the center in your object. It may be difficult, but do the best that you can. So apply one piece of tape, stretch it across, make sure that it goes through the center, and go ahead and make your mark. Once you've made your mark, you can go ahead, take it off, and then cut it right there at your mark. Go ahead and do the same thing that you did before, applying tape to both ends, stretching your piece of string out, and measuring it. So go ahead and record your measurement for diameter. We got 3 1/16. So change that fraction to a decimal. Again, divide the top number by the bottom number. Here we got 1/16 is actually equal to 0.0625. So 3 1/16 is 3.0625. So now we have enough to calculate our value for pi. Remember that pi is actually the ratio of circumference over the diameter. The measurement I got for circumference was 9.6875. My diameter was 3.0625. So all I have to do is write it down as a ratio and then divide 9.6875 divided by 3.0625. Type it in your calculator and let's see what we get. 3.16326531. It's pretty close.